Hello and welcome to another update video about the S&P 500. Really just want to focus on the short term here today because it's just following our short-term wave count. So maybe tomorrow or so, if things are changing or anything more significant happens, maybe due to CPI, then we can look at the larger wave count again or longer term. But feel free to check out yesterday's video, which was a little bit about the longer term wave count as well. Now, what happened here on the DXY? Well, we are not DXY, S&P 500. Well, we've seen a possible wave 4 low in place on the 26th of June. Since then, this was a support area, so trend reversal area. We had support here at 4354, 4295, and 4250 basically. And the idea was that as long as we're holding 4250, price can go higher. Because below that, I can't really count this anymore as a wave 4. At the moment, it's a rather shallow wave 4. And it could be that the wave 4 is still unfolding. That's why I've highlighted here the question mark. Why is that the case? It's the case because the rally was only in 3 waves. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it could also be an ABC and an overshooting B wave. So the idea could be that if wave 4 is still unfolding, that the move down of the 16th of June high was just an A wave. We have to consider that because the wave 4 was very, very shallow. This move down was very shallow. The move up in 3 waves could just be a high B wave. And the move down now maybe in a C wave as a wave 1, A, B, C in a wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, of wave C, of wave 4. And then we could get one more high. We're waiting for one more high anyway, to complete here a larger cycle. Then we will get our next major decision point. But I want that to be a 5-wave move. As long as we only have 3 waves up, I think we haven't formed a lasting top yet. If it's a 5-wave move, then this could be the last top. So at the moment, but primarily, I follow the idea that this could be a diagonal structure in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So if we push above the 3rd wave high at 4460 pretty much, then it could complete this 5-wave move. And then we have a C wave complete of wave 5, and that could finish off a larger cycle. And then we will have a larger decision point. But again, we can discuss that again in the next video. But you'll find out more about that if you just watched yesterday's. The idea is that we are still focused on higher as long as relevant support is holding. So for now, the idea that I gave you in, I think yesterday's video was that as long as we're holding the 6th of July low, we can focus on higher. Below that, we've got the 4330 level as make or break point. But below that level, we have to assume this is still a wave 4. Yeah, it's just a reset of the wave 4. So to keep it very simple, we can just say against $4,250, we can still focus on higher. In this space, the wave 4 has a lot of freedom. Now, if we track the lower degree wave count and if it pushes any higher, but again, tomorrow is CPI data, so it can shake things up a little bit. At the moment, this could still be here an ending diagonal in wave 5. Now, diagonals are never reliable, which is why we seriously need to consider it could be a lower 4th wave if that 6th of July low is breaking. But overall, we can focus on higher at the moment against this support level down there. And then we can zoom into the short term here. And here the relevant support is the 6th of July low. And I explained to you that we could be working on an ABC structure. And this seems to be working out now. But to really confirm that and to rule out that it is still the 4th wave, we need to break above this 4460 level. Because, you know, if 4th wave is unfolding at the moment, and this was just a high B wave, this is absolutely likely as well. Because if we look at the Fib retracements, typically a high B wave, the official limit is the 1.38 retracement. And you can see it didn't even reach that. The 1.38 retracement is at 4490 here. So it just didn't even max out what an overshooting B wave can do. So that's my update about the S&P 500. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.